This is a rough turn box blank that I made in a video a while back. It's made out of spalted sycamore and is now completely dry. I'm starting this box by working on the inside of the lid. I have the lid mounted in a 4-jaw chuck using the tenon that I made when I rough turned the box. The first thing I did was take a measurement of the opening of the body so I could figure out how big the tenon would be. Now I'm transferring that measurement to the inside of the lid. Now that I have my recess marked, I'm using a 1/4-inch bowl gouge to take some material out from the inside of the lid, while being careful trying not to get too close to the pencil mark. Now that I have some material taken out from the inside of the lid, I'm using a square nose scraper to square up the corners of the recess and flatten the bottom of the lid. This is the wide negative rake scraper that I made to give me a cleaner cut. Now that I'm all done shaping the inside of the lid, I'm sanding it because this is the last time that it will be mounted onto the lathe with the tenon. The next time the tenon is going to be removed. I'm all done with the inside of the lid. Now it's time to mount the body of the box onto the lathe and start working on that. The first thing I want to do is clean up the top of the box a little bit and level it out. Now I'm taking the measurement of the recess on the lid and transferring that to the top of the body of the box. My next step is to start to create the tenon for the lid to mount onto. I'm using a bowl gouge to remove the bulk of the material. Now that the bulk of the material is removed, I'm using a square nose scraper to make the tenon square and to size it for a proper fit. I like to take small amounts at a time with frequent test fits. With the lid fitted to the body, I bring the tailstock back up to keep the lid securely on and start shaping the outside of the box. If you're finding this video useful and helpful, hit the like button and leave a comment down below to let me know. It'll help get this video out to others who might find it useful. Now it's time to work on the inside of the box. I'm starting with a scraper, and I'll finish the inside of the box with a bowl gouge. This is an inertia sander with 2-inch discs. I parted the box off the tenon, but I lost the footage of it. I'm using an air-powered random orbital sander to clean up the bottom of the box. This was a fun project, and it's how I turn a majority of my larger boxes. When using green wood, turning boxes in stages like this is a great way to speed up the drying process, especially when working with larger pieces of wood. It allows you to take a block of wood that would normally take a year plus to dry and have it ready to make a box in a couple months. Check out this video next to see how I made the rough turned box.